We have different form of for loop present in Java, which works only with arrays and collections. Namaste everyone, I am Gyan and you are watching the session 13 of Java and Wave, Array in Java. In this video we will learn about enhanced for loop in Java. Enhanced for loop is also called for each loop. Enhanced for loop is specially designed to iterate through elements of arrays and collections. This loop cannot be used for any other purpose. Enhanced for loop retrieves all values of array and collection, but we cannot retrieve a subset of array and collection. Let's see the meaning of this statement. Here in this case, we have the class first. In the class first, we have the method main. In the method main, we have created an integer array object which contains the values 4, 6 and 8, whose reference is stored into the reference variable s2. Then after we have the variable sum which contains the value 0. After that, we have enhanced for loop. In the parenthesis of enhanced for loop, we have two sections separated by colon. At the right side of the colon, we have the reference variable which is pointing to array or collection. And at the left side of the colon, we have the variable x. The type of the variable depends on the type of each element of the array or each element of the collection. Since here each element of an array is of type integer, that's how the type of the variable x is integer. In the first iteration of this enhanced for loop, the value at the 0th element of the array object whose address is stored into the reference variable s2 will be stored into the variable x. That means the value 4 will be stored into the variable x. After that we are printing the value of x, that is 4, and then we are adding the current value of x, that is 4, into the current value of sum, that is 0. That's how the new value of the variable sum is 4. Here we are accessing the index without using any index variable. Here we are not using any variable I. The for loop itself is traversing through the array. So in the next iteration, the value at the first index of the array will be stored into the variable x. That's how the value 6 will be stored into the variable x. And here we are printing the value of the variable x, that is 6. The current value of the variable x, that is 6, will be added into the current value of the variable sum, that is 4. 6 plus 4 is equal to 10. So the new value of the variable sum will be 10. After that, in the next iteration, the value at the second element of the array will be stored into the integer variable x. Here we are printing the value of the integer variable x, which will print 8. And we are adding the current value of x, that is 8, to the current value of sum, that is 10. So the new value of sum will be 18. 10 plus 8 is equal to 18. When the enhanced for loop accesses the all elements of the array, the execution of the enhanced for loop comes to an end, and the final value of sum will be 18. That's how here we will print sum is equal to 18. Let's try this code practically. Open first.java. This is the same code as we have seen. Try to compile it. It compiles fine. Now run it. It runs fine and printing the same output. If you remember this statement, we cannot retrieve a subset of an array or a subset of a collection. That means suppose an array having 10 elements. In the normal for loop, we can set the value of I to 5 and can go up to 8. That's how we will access only the 5th, 6th, 7th and 8th index element of the array. But in the case of enhanced for loop, this is not possible. In the case of enhanced for loop, we are forced to retrieve all the elements of an array or all the elements of a collection. That's all for this video guys. Don't forget to like and share this video, subscribe my channel on YouTube, like my page on Facebook and leave your valuable comments in the comment section below. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.